Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm back in Orlando, Florida, and today we're going to be checking out the spa at the Marriott Grande Vista. Before we start our tour, I'm going to show you where Marriott Grande Vista is. It's really close to SeaWorld. Also, I Drive. Up here, you could find Universal Studios, and across these lakes over here, you're going to find Disney World. So as you can see, if you're there to go to the theme parks and check them all out, it's in a pretty good location. Marriott Grande Vista is part of the Marriott Vacation Club, and it is a timeshare. Some people that go there never even leave the resort. You could literally stay there all week. It's so much fun. It's a great resort. But if you do want to travel to the theme parks, if you're going to SeaWorld, very close, and the other ones really aren't that far as well. Marriott Grande Vista is like a home away from home for me. I've stayed here several weeks out of the year, at least. I'm here today with my daughter, though. We are going to the spa. Here's a look at the gym right here. It's a very big, spacious gym. They also have group guided classes like yoga in the recreation room. But today we are here for pedicures. Me and my daughter both had appointments back to back, so I dropped her off, and I'm going to take a little spin around and show you what the Marriott Grande Vista is like. As I'm putting this video together, I'm just struggling with, do I keep it like quiet and let you guys enjoy how pretty this place is, or do I talk? Sorry. I just always have so much to say. I've had a timeshare for like 30 years, so I have so much experience, good and bad. We're actually heading right now to the Village Center pool, but I'm going to swing a left over here, and that goes into like the marketplace where you can find food. This is where you could get coffee in the morning. They have ice cream, pizza. You know, this is like that, good old place that you could go get food at any time. Marriott Grande Vista is basically situated like into 4 different clusters. I actually made a couple videos about like the villas and their locations in more details. This isn't going to be about that. This is going to be about my timeshare experience. I'm going to take you around Village Center pool. I'm going to show you the beach, and then we're going to head back and I'm going to show you where the spa is and all that stuff. So like I said, I have more detailed videos about that, which I'll leave in a Marriott Grande Vista playlist. I'll leave at the end of this video. Just click on that and it'll go to all my Marriott Grande Vista videos. Now we're going to go take a little walk outside. This goes to a bar outside that's open pretty much most of the day, as well as 4 different sections of the Marriott Grande Vista. There are 4 different pools in the 4 different sections. This area right here is called Village Center, as I said before. It's pretty early in the morning. It's like 9:30 a.m. The pool is opening, but the bar is closed at the moment. It's so nice to see the bar opening, though. I was here during the pandemic. It was actually like when the whole world was closing. I was here because my kids lived in Orlando, so I'm like, there's a pandemic coming. I need to go down there. So I stayed there for a couple of weeks while the whole world was shut down. So it was an interesting experience. But, it was a great place to be. The staff was fantastic. I really love this place. Like I said, I come here a few weeks a year, so I know it very well. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask me any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Village Center pool over here is where you can find most of the activities too, and they have that very large TV movie screen. They have movies there. You can watch football there. They have trivia games. This is a very popular pool if you're into group participation. I'm literally counting on my fingers right now. I should know this answer, but I think there's 7 Marriott vacation clubs in Orlando. There's a lot of them, but this one is probably the largest one, I believe. We're taking a little walk down to Sandy Point over here, which is their little beach. It's really cute. They have a little campfires here where they roast s'mores. People lay out here. They have volleyball. It's a really cool little spot here. One question I do get asked a lot is, do I need a car if I go to Marriott Grande Vista? Not if you're staying there, but if you are planning on going places, there are Uber and Lyft options. You could always do that, but having a car is very handy because unless you're staying in a Marriott Grande Vista, there's like a really long driveway just to even get in and out of there, which is a really cool feature just because you feel so removed from Orlando. Like when you're in there, you feel like you're in your own little tropical oasis. I just love walking around there. There's so many places to walk, and it just goes on and on and on. I just find it very relaxing. It's a great place to go to recharge. Marriott Grande Vista is a timeshare, but it also rents rooms by the night. You can get a room directly on the website. You could get a room like on Priceline, Booking.com. All those places have Marriott Grande Vista, so you can come here for the night. They have rooms that are studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms as well. If you're new to Orlando and you're looking at a vacation club by the Marriott and you want to stay closer to Disney, as much as I love this might not be your best choice because it is a little farther. It's very close to SeaWorld. You could actually, like when you're walking around, see SeaWorld's fireworks. It's awesome, but it's a little farther from Disney. If you want to stay at a Marriott Vacation Club, you might want to look at Sable Palms, Royal Palms, or Imperial Palms. Those are the closest ones to Disney World. Best time to come as far as prices and crowds, I would say January, May, late August into September, and early December. And I'm sticking with that. That's, in my experiences, have always been for theme parks and resorts the best time to come if you want best prices and less crowds. This area is really adorable. It's a little courtyard here. It's all decorated for Christmas. They always have a big Christmas tree in there. They have Christmas festivities. This is an awesome place to come in December. I've done it several times, come in the Christmas season, and it's decorated beautiful. My home away from home. I love Marriott Grande Vista. Another question I get asked a lot is time sharing for you? Do you have 1, 2, 3 weeks off a year? No, not at all. Unless it's like I only have summer week off and I need to nail that and I want to go to this resort every year for the rest of my life, then that might work. But if you want to float and you want to try this and that and you only get that certain week off, no, it's not for you because chances are you're not going to be able to change. You have to be utterly so flexible like I am. Here's another look at the Village Center pool. I work for myself. I could travel when the deals are there. I travel often. Now I make videos. So part of my work job is to make videos. So I'm able to travel when the prices are the lowest. For me, the timeshare has been amazing. But there's been times in my life where it hasn't. When I owned an actual business where I was stuck there. There was years I never even used it, and I was paying the maintenance fees, and I was very bitter and angry about it. But fast forward 15, 20 years, here I am. I'm doing a totally different thing, and I'm using the heck out of it. So, if you are in a timeshare situation, and it's looking bleak, and you're not even happy with it, things might change for you too as well. Having more flexibility in my life is a game changer for me. Being able to use a timeshare whenever and wherever I want to go. It's like having a home anywhere you want to be. It's just incredible. Thank you so much for hanging with me and listening to me talk. Now it's time for me to get my pedicure. This is the spa at the Marriott Grande Vista. If you're still with me, you are a total rock star. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I'm going to leave some playlists over here for you. One is going to be about time sharing, my international resort tours, and then I'm going to leave my resort tours of Orlando, places that I visited and stayed. The bottom playlist will be about Marriott Grande Vista and the videos that I made. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you.